Welcome to Back Cars Trends, and today we're diving into the 2026 BMW sedan, where cutting-edge innovation meets timeless elegance. This isn't just another luxury car, it's a masterclass in balancing performance, tech, and sophistication. The sedan's exterior showcases BMW's evolved design language with a larger kidney grille featuring adaptive LED matrix technology. Slimmer headlights and a fastback-inspired roofline contribute to a 0.23 drag coefficient, sleeker than the Mercedes E-Class. Aerodynamic wheels, up to 21 inches, and flush door handles emphasize its modern edge, while self-healing paint repairs minor scratches. Inside, the cabin blends driver-focused tech with minimalist luxury. A curved 12.3-inch digital cluster merges with a 14.9-inch touchscreen running BMW's iDrive 10, now with haptic feedback and AI voice commands. Vernasca leather seats offer 20-way adjustability with heating, cooling, and 3D-printed lumbar support. Rear passengers enjoy 39 inches of legroom, best in class, and 5G connectivity for streaming. Sustainable touches include recycled microfiber suede and eco-tanned leather. Under the hood, choose between two electrified powertrains: a plug-in hybrid with 400 horsepower and 40 miles of electric range, a 48-volt mild hybrid inline-six, pumping out 375 horsepower. Both pair with an 8-speed Steptronic transmission and rear-wheel steering for agility. The hybrid hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds, while achieving 35 miles per gallon combined. 2026 BMW sedan starts at $62,000. It competes with the Audi A6 and Lexus ES. BMW reports strong demand for the new frozen pure gray metallic paint option. With its blend of German precision and next-gen tech, this BMW redefines the modern luxury sedan. Smash that like button and subscribe to Cars Trends for more premium car breakdowns. Drop a comment. Would you pick this over an electric rival?